How to use green screen in Canva. Welcome guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use green screen in Canva. What you want to do, you want to click on create a design, select the video option, and then what you want to do is you want to start with the background. So we go to the left menu, scroll down to background, and we select the green color. Then you have to figure out what you want to animate. Let's say I want to animate the subscribe button. So we go to elements, I want to search for a subscribe button. And we want to make sure we use an animated graphic. So I'm just gonna search for a nice one over here. For example, this one, just click on it. For now it's a bit big. So I want to adjust it a little bit. Say put it here. Then I want to add an arrow, for example. Or maybe even better, I want to be animated. Yeah. This one. Same here, we want to resize it. Clicking like this, yeah. What we want to do now is to animate pictures. So first for the subscribe button, we want to go to animate and just select the one you want to use. Let's say for this one, we use the pop. Do the same thing for the arrow. Click on animate and yeah, the tumble sounds nice. So click on tumble. For now it's 7.2 seconds. Maybe you want it to be a bit smaller or bigger. Let's say around 5 seconds. Then you want to download your video. You can click on share, click on download. You want to make sure you select the MP4 video. If you have a pro version, you can alter the quality. For now, HD is fine to me. You want to download your video. While your video is downloading, you want to start a new video. So again, we click on the video over here. And I'm gonna check if I already downloaded it. Not yet. We want to make a video, let's say for example, a waterfall. Let's say design, search for waterfall. And just click on this one, let's see this one. So what you want to do next, I saw my video was downloaded. We go to uploads, select an upload file, and you want to upload the video you just downloaded. And as you can see, it will be downloaded. Sometimes it takes a while. Alter the length of the video a bit, at 4.8. Then you want to click on the video you just made. As you can see here, you want to align it with the rest. Now what you want to do, because now you can't see the waterfall, you can only see the name. You want to go to the top bar here, you want to click on edit video. And as you can see here, we've got the tool background remover. So you want to click on that. Might take a while, so be patient. And there you have it, guys. You have used the green screen. As you can see, you see the waterfall. It's a little bit lagging. I see it's loading, but you can see the subscribe button here. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.